Hello, my name is Emma Rogers and I'm a contact tracer and I work on Anglesey. A contact tracer like myself will contact you and ask you what are your symptoms, when your symptoms started. We will then ask you what were you doing for the 48 hours prior to the test, and we will ask you for information on where you've been and who you've been in contact for that time. By contact, we mean if you have been in contact with somebody within 1 metre for 1 minute or 2 metres for 15 minutes without PPE. You will also need to tell us if you've travelled in a vehicle with anyone or if somebody sat close to you while travelling on public transport. The information we will be asking for is personal details of anybody you've been in contact with. So that's names, addresses, contact numbers, mobile phone numbers, email addresses. Once you've given us these names, a second officer will contact them to tell them that they have come into contact with somebody who's tested positive. We will not give out your personal information, we will only give them the date that they came into contact with you. They will be given advice and support of how to self-isolate for the next 14 days. If they become symptomatic within that 14 days, they can phone for a test by phoning 119. If they don't have any symptoms, they must still self-isolate within their household for the full 14 days. We will only require you to take a test if you develop symptoms within that 14 days. If that test comes back positive, the whole process starts again, and anybody that you've been in contact with, household members, family or friends, they will be contacted to start their 14-day isolation. Please be vigilant for scam callers. A contact tracer will not ask you for any financial information. They will not ask you for any passwords or any bank details. If at all you are unsure, please do not give out any information. Like you, I just want to keep my family and friends safe and reduce the spread of the virus.